Hi, I'm John and I'm here at ao.com, and today I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks about managing your iCloud storage, changing your Apple ID, activating SafeSearch on your phone, and also about customizing your control center. So firstly, we're going to look at changing your Apple ID. Now, it's probably easier to do than you think, but it's important to do it correctly to avoid losing access to your data, to your iCloud storage and your existing purchases. So to begin with, we're going to click on Settings, then click on your name. Go into Sign In and Security. At the top, you're going to have email and phone number. Press Edit, and you can either remove what's existing or add a new email or phone number. Click on Add an email address, and once you've got that processed, you'll get an email from Apple asking you to verify. What you need to do is go onto all of your devices and sign in under the new Apple ID. One tip is to make sure you haven't used that new email address on another Apple ID, otherwise it's going to cause you complications. So SafeSearch is the ability to filter out explicit content, which is great if you're trying to keep your family safe from things that you don't want them to see. What you need to do is go onto your phone, go into Settings. Next, what you need to do is go to Screen Time, and then go down to Content Privacy Restrictions. At the top, you need to enable content and privacy restrictions. Then you need to click on Store, Web, Siri, and Game Center Content. Click on Web Content. Now on this you have three options: unrestricted, limit adult websites, and only approved websites. We're going to click on limit adult websites. This gives you two options: an always allow option and a never allow option. You can add websites to either list so that your phone will restrict or de-restrict access to those pages. So next I'm going to talk you through managing your iCloud storage. You have a couple of options. If you find that you're running out of space, you can either upgrade. You do this by going to your settings menu, click on your name, and next click on iCloud. Then click on Manage Account Storage. Here you can see how your iCloud storage is being used. You can also click Change Storage Plan. So if you want to upgrade to something bigger, just go onto that. Now, if you don't want to change your storage plan, and in fact you want to clear out some of the space, make sure you're not holding backups from unused devices on there. Also, you can change your iCloud storage plan to stop the backups of photos, as that's normally one of the things that takes up the most amount of space. Lastly, I'm going to talk to you about customizing your control center. Go to the settings on your phone. In settings, there is an option to click on for Control Center. Now, if you want to add any of these settings, press the green plus button. If you want to change the order and reorganize your control panel, click and drag the three lines and shuffle them into the order that you want them into.